In this video, I'll show you how you can fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in Fortnite. Now there's a simple way that we can try and fix this, and what you want to do is come here to your search bar and search for Advanced System Settings. Open up this one and go to Advanced. Click on the Performance Settings. From in here, go to Advanced. In here, choose Change right here. And from in here, what you want to do is uncheck this box right here. Click on Custom Size. And from in here, you should see two big boxes. Now in here, the number depends on how much you have allocated, but you can see right here how much you have. So obviously yours will be different from mine. But what you want to do is type the number in here and type the exact same one in here. The one that says it right here. Then after that, you just want to press Set, OK, restart your PC, and now it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.